Hi everyone. I wanted to come today and show you what I've been doing. It's kind of different. I'm hoping that you're really going to like this. I've been machine embroidering, and I've made some pretty nice things, and I was thinking that these would look fabulous on a journal cover. That's just one. So here's another cutie, and she is a cutie. These are actually smaller. Let me grab I'm going to grab a piece of journal, one of my coffee dyed papers, and just give you an idea of what you can do. I'm leaving the edges because it wraps around then. It wraps around your book, your journal page, so then when you flip it over, you still have excess to do whatever you want. So, this is that one. Then I made a little frog. Oops, got threads. Got a little frog. He's cute. This could even be, how can I say, you can trim around this and you could use this as a tuck spot in your journal, your junk journal. It's an idea. This was one I did on muslin, and it's big. It's on a big piece of muslin, and I'll show you what that kind of looks like. If you take an 8.5 by 11 and fold it in half, you still have that much space. So, and that's why I've left so much extra, so that it could be stitched in, glued in, whatever. That's another one. Put that aside. And then I've got these on white cotton. She's adorable. The writing down here, I'm really not sure. I don't think it's supposed to be readable, other than love. I got these from, these are digitized embroidery files from Creations by Kara. So I've purchased her files and used my embroidery machine to make these. So, yeah, there's that one. And then there's this one, which is like half a face on a page again. And I've made it bigger. So, just to give you an idea. I'll get up close so you can kind of see. And this one's a Mambo Jumbo. It is big. This could go on a very large journal. I'm just going to take it right out of here. And I'm just going to measure this. It just depends if you want this right on the edge or not. And that it doesn't matter if you do or don't. But the paper, or the fabric, is 12 inches wide by, I would say, approximately 11 inches if you squared it all off. I'm not going to square them off. They are what they are. Yeah, I think they're gorgeous. This one here I'm going to get up close because it's really, really amazing, the work. She is an awesome digitizer, and she probably created these files herself and then digitized them so that we could use them in embroidery machines. Right at the moment, I am limited to selling 20 of each design. We'll see how it goes. I may, if it goes well, I may contact her and see if I can get a commercial use license. So, yeah, that's what I've been up to. That was my big surprise. I'm adding embroidered covers for journals, or you could use this even for a traveler's notebook. You can actually, and I was going to mention this too, like on this one, personally, I would probably white out, like gesso out this writing. Like, because we're mixed media artists, we can do what we want. So you can probably tea dye this. I'd be very careful though with the threads because they're rayon. Rayon threads don't like to dye very well, and sometimes they bleed. So you have to be very careful. But using gesso on parts of it, this is very textured. Like, I don't know if you can even pick that up on camera. Oh, there you can. It's all the stitching has gone through there. Now, I wanted to also mention, I can change the colors to pretty much anything you like on all of them. Like, if you don't like the purple or the green, we could change the green to whatever color you like. There's this one here. Again, I'm going to try and take out the wording here. Just leave love. Or maybe not even that. I don't know. I don't know, because she has a little heart on her cheek here by her lips. I don't know. I think love should be there. But colors can be changed. But I love these colors a lot. I love them a lot. And there's a lot of detail. I don't know if you can see that. Like here. And in her eyes. This little one. She is so cute. I just adore her. Now, I'm not sure who I got this file from. I'll have to double check. Yeah, I don't think it was from the same artist. This was from someone else, and as long as I'm doing Creations by Kara is the only one with these faces that I am limited. The rest of my files I am able to, as long as I'm not selling the files itself, I can do my my own art. So these would be redone, and the colors also can be changed. I used green. Actually, it shows almost black, but it's actually a dark green for her hair. Maybe we don't want red. Maybe we want purple. Like, things can be changed. So that's what I love about this. But please give me, you know, if you do buy one from me, please give me a couple of days to make it up. I need a couple of days head time. Yeah, and there's lots of them I haven't done yet. Like, I haven't done them on my machine yet. I've got lots of files to do. There's lots of ideas I have. This is just the beginning. And I am so in love with making journals with embroidery. So, and let me know what you think. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Bye now.